Hey everybody, I am in Denver today. I'm going to the Golden Triangle area and I'm going to see the Chalk Festival. It's a yearly event where they gather hundreds of artists to draw on the ground and be creative. And you guys, if you watch my videos, you know I love creativity of all kinds, but particularly chalk art. So let's go and I'll tell you why I'm so interested. So there's something about chalk art that I really like, and I think it's people put their maximum creativity into it, but also it's temporary. It reminds me of the Tibetan mandalas. If you're not familiar with that, it's Tibetan sand art where they make these really intricate circles and then they destroy it, and it kind of shows the impermanence of everything. And in particular, you know, people put a lot of time, effort, and focus into making these beautiful artworks, and then eventually they're gone. The rain takes them away. So on my way there, kind of wanted to show you the area that the Chalk Festival's going to be in. So this is called the Golden Triangle. I'm not sure why they call it that, but I can tell you there's lots of creative looking buildings here, and also there's the Denver Art Museum, so you can see how weird and cool looking it is, and it goes all the way over there. There's the Denver Library, and I've actually had a video kind of walking in there. That's a pretty cool library. I didn't get to go to all the floors, but maybe I'll go again one day. And yeah, there's lots of little art installations and buildings and museums in this area. This is like the creative district, I guess you want to call. Which city has the best art district or creative district in the United States or even in the world? Let me know. Maybe I'll go there. I'm really into this sort of thing, and I just love being submersed into a pond of creativity, an ocean of creativity, I should say. And that's sort of why I'm here. Let's go have some fun. I think these are kids making stuff. Let's see what they got going on. Wow, check these out. We got a cool looking hand here. A little bit of everything. I get that might be a globe. I guess I don't have to be careful. I can walk on everyone's art. It's not going anywhere for now. Let's check out some more of this artists. These are, I guess, the so-called professionals. We're all professionals. Let's check what she has going down. I like the color she has for the hair going over there. She has a whole case of chalk. So this is something she does. Really cool. Portrait of an old man. And this is who made it, and she's just recreating it. That's pretty cool. This festival's going on until about 8 o'clock tonight. I think it started at 8 in the morning or something like that. So most of this work may be unfinished as we go through, but at least we can see a little bit of that creativity and that mind process that makes them, that helps them put this stuff together. All right, let's try this street out here. So there's plenty of food out here if you want to get some different kinds. That's pretty cool. So that's what you'll eventually get. And it looks like they're pretty close now. All right. Oh, that's adorable. That's pretty hyper realistic there. So you can see here sponges and chalks and all kinds of stuff. That's so cool. The Good Smoking Grill. Oh, there's a Spider-Man. Oh, there's a nice little landscape there. That's pretty dope. That's cool. Oh, you're welcome. That's really nice. So cool. Can I ask you, I see that you have the Toyota up there. Is that, you represent Toyota or what is that?
So they give us all sponsors. The sponsors pay like $500 per square to like help support the festival.
Ah, cool.
Yeah, because we just entered to like for the competition and everything.
Gotcha.
So we don't have to pay.
Oh, okay. And so each one of these is a competition to, I guess, win.
Yeah, there's a bunch of different categories. I don't know.
Gotcha. But you're just expressing yourself out here. Cool, cool.
Yeah.
Well, it's beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at this baby. That's cool. That baby's in the middle of eating, it looks like. Nice. Oh, Meow Wolf. Now, if you've never been to Meow Wolf, you gotta go. Now, I haven't been here in Denver, but I went to the one in Santa Fe before they built the one in Denver. And I guess this represents Meow Wolf, or maybe Meow Wolf is the sponsor for this one. That's cool. So you'll see some sort of rodent with a colorful mohawk. That's cool. Oh, there'd be a tiger looking from the water. I can already tell that one. You know what else I like about the chalk art is that I'm allowed to film it, because a lot of times you go to art festivals, they don't want you to film their art. I don't know, maybe that's because they think you'll steal it and reproduce it. I don't know. If you happen to know, let me know in the comments, because I am clueless on why they won't let you film their art. You know, you go to art festival, people make paintings, drawings, things like that. Some people are cool with you showing it, but many aren't. So let me know. Well, we got a T-Rex going down here. That's cool. Check that out. That cone looks delicious. Will one rain take all this away? Will one day of traffic run all this into the drain and ruin it all? Who knows? So you can see you can kind of go in any direction here, and I'm trying to decide where to go. But I think I'm head towards this way. I see a stage. I don't hear any music. Let's go peep it. Looks like some kind of alien. So cool. Oh, well, here we are. Based on drawings by niece and nephew. Oh, okay, so his niece and nephew created that. And I mean, you see these are streets, so eventually the cars are gonna run over this, rain's gonna wash it away, and it'll be no more. But I guess that's the way of life. Nothing ever lasts. But creativity sort of is enduring. Check out what she got going down. It's awesome to see people here in their flow state. That's pretty cool. I love the colors of that grasshopper. And look how careful they are to not smear their work and step on it and mess it all up. She's on the side, she has her little soft thing, so she's done this before and knows that putting her hand on that concrete can be a beast. So she has her little cushions there to cushion her and lean on. Like he has a little pad there to protect his knees, knee pads over there. So to each form of art, everyone has their own particular tools, and figuring out ways to be comfortable while you're on the ground is something that you have to consider when you're out here. So what is art? Especially in regards to human creativity. Maybe that's, yeah, some people would think that art, that's all art is, but you know, I've seen, you know, creative chimpanzees and different animals capable of creating their own interpretation of reality. But with art, like, it's something that stimulates you and something that that can even influence people's decisions and opinions about things. And that's why it's so powerful. You know, kind of a way to communicate outside of words, and sometimes words can be art. Oh, check that lizard out. That's dope. In memory of Richard M. Randall. I wonder if that's who that person is. I'm sure you'd appreciate being someone using their creativity to represent them out here for everybody to see. It's pretty cool. And this is what that will be. Now, because these aren't done, I really appreciate that they have the art out here so you can see what it's supposed to look like, most of them anyway, because I'm not going to be here when most of these are finished. Now that is dope right there. All right, I'm done here. It was a good time. Saw some fun art. If you liked the video, why don't you consider subscribing? I have a lot of cool stuff out here. I just like to show the country and anything that I can find that's interesting, that interests me. And I just take you along. And share this video. If you know somebody who's creative and loves seeing people express themselves, maybe share this video with them. I'm sure they get a kick out of it. Get some really cool art. Let me know what your favorite art was. I mean, favorite piece was that out here. I'd really be interested. I had a few of them, but let me know and I'll tell you in the comments which ones I like. So anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.